Lakhipuronline puthokjaba February gi tang tara thangja numit ki Khomjinba Pao tabirasi. Ahanbada maruiba Pao. Kumsi chahi gi oina saknairaba mioi mangada leibak asigi khwaidagi wangba Civilian Award Bharat Ratna piragani. Sal gonga gi jum amada dakat changduna sana lupa kaya pukibagi thodok aduda chenaba mioi ahom police na phagat kre. Rajya Sabha ki MP Laisema Sana Jaubana Manipur da NRC mapung phana chanhana bawa pampukat kre. Numit nini gi oiba lakpati didi initiative training program jiribam da ngarang dagi haukre amasung Haipei Rani Gadinlu gi nonga kumun gamari lenana football tournament haudokre. Haujik mapung oiba pau tabirase. Kumsi chahi gi oina saknairaba mioi mangada leibak asigi khwaidagi wangba Civilian Award Bharat Ratna piragani. Makhoi mangagi manungda maridi makhoi masa leikidraba matungda pigadabani. Chahi amatada handakna khwaidagi yamna mana asi piba oire. Chahi asigi Bharat Ratna pigadaba masaknaiba mioi sing adudi politician amadi hanagi Bihar gi CM oiramba Karpuri Thakur, former Deputy Prime Minister Lal Krishna Advani, former Prime Minister Venkata Narasimha Rao, former Prime Minister Chaudhuri Charan Singh amasung Agricultural Scientist MS Swaminathan ne khwaidagi wangba Civilian Award Bharat Ratna phanglagadaba makhoi manga asigi manungda masagi chahi 43 suraba Home Minister amasung Deputy Prime Minister gi pham pairamba Lal Krishna Advani natana atai makhoi maridi leikidraba matungda mana sipibani. Kasargi Salgonga gi jum amada daka changbagi thodok amagi nongma matung thodok adu da chenaba mioi ahum Udarbon police na phagat kre. Huran bachang ki ba makhoi ahum adu Kumbha cha bagan Kumbha amadi Salganga dagani haire. Panba yai hauki ba lebak pokpagi nimidang pung amarom taba duaida Salganga gi businessman Vikas Rai gi jumda makhoi mioi 12 rongi dakat khutpu amana makuta khulai paiduna laklaga thong thugaiduna changlaga yumgi miyoi singi makhong makut punsinduna thamlaga pung amarom chupna leiduna yum adudagi sana lupa selthum laukibani haire. Thodok adugi matungda huran ba khutpu adubo phananaba Kasargi SP Numal Mahatagi luching makhada Udarbon police ki teamna hauki ba jumsa kaisagi nimidangda thodok adu da chenaba miyoi ahum police ki makut chankibani. Sangsad ki mifam da ngarang Rajya Sabha ki MP Laisema Sana Jaubana Manipur da NRC mapung phana chanahana bawa pampukat kre. Manipur ki chingi jila singda missing kahena hengalakpa si yangsinanaba amadi ingkumja lising amaga chamapan yangkai mathoi natraga lising amaga chamapan humpu mathoi da base year oiraga Manipur da NRC mapung phana chanhanaba Sabha ki pukning singsinke. Manipur da haukiba me thadagi kanglup ki marakta oiragliba iranga sina miyamna khamthengna mayoknariba awaba sigi matangda kendra gi pukning singsinke. Makhatana mahakna Bharat amadi Myanmar gi ngamkhai paringda free movement regime FMR lauthokpa kilometer lising amaga chatruk nifum doi sangba ngamkhai paring sambal khabagi thabak haunanaba amadi population commission semnanaba su kendra sarkar gi pukning singsinke haire.
Maharaja Sanja Oba Lishama demand to check population growth rate in Manipur.
Thank you, sir. Population growth rate in some hill districts of Manipur is abnormally high as compared with that of India. This is highly needed to check for socio-economic planning and the demographic balance of the state. It also affects population growth rates of Valley district due to huge migration from the hill district. Some main factors for this abnormal growth rates are: number 1, porous border fencing; number 2, access to free movement regime; number 3, negligence of security forces to guard the border; number 4, uncertainty and turmoil in neighboring country; number 5, manipulation of census figure to get political advantage; and number 6, immigration from neighboring countries for various reasons, etc. Sir, there were many ethnic classes in different parts of northeastern regions due to the above cited factors, and the same has been witnessing in Manipur. Taking the issue seriously, the Union government has taken up series of measures to curb the situation. For example, scrapping of free movement regime, impenetrable border fencing of 1,643 kilometers are to be constructed soon, setting up of Population Commission and the biometric test has already undergone to eliminate the foreigners, etc. So, to check the unnatural or abnormal growth rates in the state, I urge the Union government to implement a full-fledged NRC in Manipur with base year either 1951 or 1961 at the earliest for safeguarding the national security of our country. Thank you, sir.
Khanghanjaba ama lamdam asigi maming leiraba Dr. Nandababu Singha MD Medicine Specialist Silchar Sodorghat Manaki Capital Point Leiriba Capital Diagnostic Center da Nongmaizing Kudingi layang bahuragani Miyamgi kudong sana nabagidamak Nongmaizing Kudingi ayuki pung taramathoydagi Nungtilgi pung ani phawba layang gadaba sida mangjawna na appointment lobining basingna telephone number 700-299-5161 natraga 700-299-5181 number asida call tobiragna bahairi Khanghanjaba loijare. Self-help group ki member khudingmak chahi amada lakpati oinanaba pandamda numit nini gi oiba lakpati didi CRPs for lakpati didi initiative training program ama DMMU Jiribam District MSRLM na sinduna Jiribam gi chingdong lekai da leiba DC office Jiribam complex ta pangthokre training asida ahanba batch ki oina Jiribam block ki GP ahumgi SSG member kuntrama thoina sarugya ki ngarang dagi hokiba training asida block mission manager Jiribam block MSRLM ki Wahengbam Premchana master trainer oina training piki training asigi matangda Wahengbam Premchana paumisingda sumna phongdokhi
Rural Livelihoods Mission, Department of RD&PR, Government of Manipur, the State Mission Director Roina, Nomaitem Bandana, IAS, Aduga, State Mission Manager, Naurem Kiran Kumar, Makoenigi Lamjing Makada, Lakpati Didi Initiative, Sigi Wakalonda, Mamanda Koina, Kanapara, Guatigi, SIR Dida, Singhiba, Lakpati Didi Singh, Sahimada, Yam Dravada, Magi gross sidagi expenditure khaidokraga net income si lising taragi mathatu henba AJG member khudimak lising tara yam drabada thamada ohenduna sahimada laki mathakta income lakpa adu ohenabagi ngasi akoina Jiribam block sida numit nini sukna base 1 da CRP haitare Lakpati Didi CRP training given to the cadres karigino harakanda Lakpati Didi initiative asmain daroga koina Ajibika register haiba mane planning tools akoi potential Lakpati Didi sing khandu oga identify tawraga mohai singbu akoina ma saga sunaba livelihood activities farm oiba yai non farm oiba yai akoina moida business tawbasing aduga entrepreneur tawbasing aduga farm tawbasing da magi imung manungi income se yamdrabada akhoi pandam si AJG member kudimak lising taragi mathakta thada la aga sahimada la amagi mathakta income ohen ba haibasida hauji phawada on India gi crore ani lakpati oire asmaina akhoi AJG member crore nipan leibasida yamdrabada crore nipan mak AJG member Kudimak Lakpati Ohen Bible Wakalon Sida Jiribam da Nasi Base 1 Gi Lakpati Didi CRP Singda Lakpati Didi Initiative Ki Wakalon Sida Yumham Weraga Nasi Kenosi Lakpati Didi CRP Singi Training Si Pantok 7 Isa Master Trainer Wahimam Premsan Block Mission Manager Jiribam and Borobega Block Manipur State Rural Livelihoods Mission. Thank you.
Freedom Fighter Highway Rani Gaiden Liugi Nonga Kumun Gamari Lenana Rigunlong Young Star Club na Silangduna February Gitang Mapandagi Taratret Paubacha Tagadaba Tarelak Suba Football Tournament Karangdagi Kasar Jilagi Rigunlong Village Sanabungda Hodokre Honorable Chairman Nimsin Ray Panmei ADC Tamenglong Manipurna Firal Singkatuna Hodokiba Thoromaduda Mahagna Chief Guest Oibiki Guest of Honor Oina Jamum Pau Kamei President Rongmei Naga Council Assam RNCA aduga Jonathan Gangmei 52 Tamai SC President NFP Adim Gonmei Chairman LAVC Amadi G Ebon Rongmei Secretary RNCA na Special Guest oina saruk yake Gracia Rongmei Amadi Last John Rongmei na program compare tauke G Philip Chief Chairman Rani Gaidenliu Memorial Colony na welcome address lanthoke makhatana Zion English School amasung Karoluang Lu Farm Rani Colony Part 2 gi mahiroi singna mathang sina sayo isai amadi jagoi gi kudol tamki ahan banumit ki sanakiba football match da Lakhisura FC na Lungrejang FC bu goal ani suinoda maithiba piki Aroi bada maroi bapau amukhanna kumsi chahi gi oina saknai raba mioi mangada leibak asigi khwaidagi wangba civilian award Bharat Ratna piragani sal gonga gi jum amada dakat changduna sana lupa kaya pu kibagi thodok aduda chenaba mioi ahom police na phagat kre Rajya Sabha gi MP Laisemba sana jawbana Manipur da NRC mapung phana chana na bawa pam pukat kre Numit dini gi oiba lakpati didi initiative training program jiribam da ngarang dagi haukre amasung Haipei Rani Gadinlu gi nonga kumun gamari leinana football tournament haudokre Lakhipur online YouTube channel gi pau sandok chaba ngasigi oinadi matang asida loijare